CanDo is a set of tools built on top of Basecamp, a blog, a knowledge base, bulk actions, Zoom meetings, and more. Things you can't do in Basecamp out of the box. All inside the Basecamp you already know and love. Let me walk you through.
Hey, I'm Jason from IQTHINK. We make CanDo for Basecamp, and today I'd like to show you how you can easily archive multiple projects at once. Keeping Basecamp tidy means archiving old projects, maybe things you no longer use. But in Basecamp, you have to do one project at a time. Navigate to the project, settings, archive, confirm. If you have 15 projects, you have to repeat that 15 times. With CanDo, you can archive them all in one go. Let me show you how. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is log into getcando.com with your Basecamp account. We're going to go ahead and click on login. And for this demo, we're going to use our family account. So if we go to our family account right now, we see we have a lot of projects. And like I said, if we needed to archive them, we would have to go here, select, and then we would click on archive. With CanDo is much easier. So we're going to go to archive and then click on projects. Now, there's something really nifty about the way that we've done it, and is that if you have projects that have gone dormant with no activity in more than 90 days, you'll see it right here. So this project has not been touched in 353 days, this one in 217. So maybe you want to leave them, but maybe that's a cue that you need to archive them. So let's go ahead and select all of these. You can actually select all if you wanted to, and maybe unselect the ones that are actually active. And then we're going to click on archive these 10 projects. Now, once we do that, we can actually go back in here, and you saw that now we only have 4 accounts. If we went here and we went to archive, you would see that they were archived all 10 seconds ago when we actually did that. If you want to be able to use CanDo, you can actually go to Basecamp website and find us under integrations, or go to getcando.com. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope I see you in the next one. Thank you.